In about 1 or 2 weeks, we will have the next version of Instalent ready. So the direction is pretty clear. We are building AI agents that can help recruitment companies with both candidate acquisition and customer acquisition. So instead of doing everything manually, you can prompt what you need, start agents, and then they will work through the process for you. Finding candidates, finding companies, finding decision makers, finding contact details, structuring everything into projects, starting workflows, and moving things towards booked candidate interviews and booked customer meetings. That is what we are building right now. And I want to start to document this properly here because I think recruitment companies are going to change a lot over the next few years. Historically, if a recruitment company wanted to add more output, they needed to add more people. More recruiters, more sourcers, more salespeople, more admin, and there is nothing wrong with that. I love to hire people, but a lot of the work inside recruitment companies is repetitive and it's research, it's searching, it's structuring, it's collecting information, it's moving data between systems, it's following steps, and that is exactly the type of work agents should be able to handle. So the idea with Instalent is not to remove the human part of recruitment. It is to move humans toward the work that they actually can create the most value in. Talking to candidates, talking to customers, understanding people, building trust, making decisions, closing, managing relationships. That is where people matter the most. The rest should become much more automated and handled by AI. So this first season is going to be about showing that process, what we build, how agents work, what they can do, what still needs work, how we use it inside of Sakura, how much time we save, how many candidates we can find, how many companies we can identify, how many meetings we can create, and how much of the process in acquisition can run without constant manual input. Because AI is interesting, but only when it changes how companies work. That is what we are going to do here. Can a small team create as much output as a big team? Can candidate acquisition and customer acquisition become something that runs in the background? Can recruitment companies grow with more leverage and less manual work? That is what we are doing here. This is season 1, this is episode 1. Can we 100x how an industry acquires candidates and customers? We are gonna do that. So if you run a recruitment company and want to see this in practice, you can test Instalent for free for 7 days through the link below here. The platform already helps with the full acquisition flow and makes the process around 10x faster right now than doing it manually. Now we are building the next layer, as we mentioned, agents that can run more of that process autonomously every day. So see you in the next video.